highway, wind in my face. Got my truck beside me, life's a sweet race. With the pedal to the metal, we own this town. Engine roaring proudly, we won't back down. It's built for adventure, we'll never part. I love my truck, it's my rolling throne. She's got fire in her soul, we're never alone. Together we'll chase the sunset's glow. She's my wild spirit, my heart in tone. From dawn till dusk we ride together. Through mud and rain we brave all weather. As every mile whispers secrets we both know. Side by side it's just us on the go. My heart's on the road, can't stop this heart. I love my truck, it's my rolling throne. She's got fire in her soul, we're never alone. Together we'll chase sunset's low. She's our wild stainless, always glow. The campfire emperor sings this faithful roar. Watching me walk through warm hand, neath the love on in. I'm on my top, if my know they're from. She's got fire in my songs that alone. Together, old friends, summer shades grow. With my wild spirit, my heart in tow. So here's to the journey, my trusty friend. With the open road ahead, this love won't end.